Abu Huraira was one of the closest companions of the Prophet. His full name was Abdur Rahman ibn Sakhr al-Azdi. He accepted Islam in Yemen before moving to Medina. Abu Huraira is famous for narrating more hadiths than any other companion. He spent most of his life memorizing and teaching the sayings of the Prophet. He embraced a simple and humble lifestyle. He was known for his devotion to prayer and fasting. Abu Huraira accompanied the Prophet in many battles. Despite his busy schedule, he remained committed to learning. He was a member of the Ansar community. Abu Huraira loved sharing knowledge with other companions. He taught both men and women about Islam. Many of his students became famous scholars. He emphasized the importance of honesty and sincerity. Abu Huraira encouraged others to memorize hadiths carefully. He was known for his strong memory and precision. The Prophet appreciated his dedication to preserving knowledge. Abu Huraira passed away in 681 CE in Medina. His contributions are essential to Islamic teachings today. Millions of Muslims benefit from his narrations worldwide. He remains a model of devotion, humility, and knowledge. Subscribe, like, and share Trusstoria channel.